Need to send text messages from your computer instead of your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to send text messages with Google Messages for Web. We'll cover everything from opening a conversation to sending photos and checking message status, so you can text quickly and easily from your browser. Before you can send messages, make sure your Android phone is already linked to Google Messages for Web. Once the connection is active, your conversations will automatically appear on your computer. To send a message, either click an existing conversation from the left side of the screen or select the New Chat button to begin a conversation with someone new. Click inside the message box at the bottom of the chat window and type your text. Take a moment to review your message before sending, especially if it's an important conversation. If you'd like to include more than just text, use the attachment button to add photos or supported files. You can also open the emoji panel, insert GIFs, or choose stickers to make your messages more expressive. Once your message is ready, click the Send button or press the Enter key if your settings allow it. After sending, you'll see the message appear in the conversation along with its delivery status. As replies arrive, they'll automatically appear in the same conversation. So you can continue chatting, search older messages, or switch between different conversations without picking up your phone. And that's how you send text messages with Google Messages for Web. Once your phone is connected, messaging from your computer becomes fast, simple, and convenient. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology guides, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.